Seeing your Virgin Media router flashing red can quickly become frustrating, especially when the internet suddenly stops working or devices refuse to connect. Many users notice slow browsing, complete signal loss, or the router staying stuck on a red blinking light for longer than expected. Sometimes the connection returns briefly, while other times the router remains unresponsive. In many situations, a Virgin router flashing red issue can happen because of service interruptions, overheating, cable communication problems, or temporary network glitches. Before restarting devices repeatedly or changing random router settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Virgin router working properly again. 1. Turn off the Virgin router completely and disconnect power for a short moment before turning it back on. 2. Check all cables carefully and confirm the broadband or wall connection stays firmly attached. 3. Place the Virgin router in a cooler open area because overheating may affect connection stability. 4. Wait several minutes after restarting and check whether the flashing red light changes normally. 5. Test Wi Fi on your devices and confirm whether the Virgin router internet connection works smoothly again.